If you want to grow on YouTube, there are a couple of skills that you need to know. One of the first ones is going to be how to create really good thumbnails. All right. And the number one tool that I recommend that you use for this is going to be Canva. Hence, if you're not familiar with Canva, get familiar. Canva offers a free, a pro, and also a business version. And all of these different versions have different features. So obviously, if you get the pro or the business, you're going to get way more than the free version. But know that Canva can pretty much take care of your YouTube thumbnails, your posters, your social media graphics, your business cards, and so on. And all of this is going to be done online via canva.com. Hence, people understand that creating stunning thumbnails or stunning graphics is way easier than you think. All you really need are a few steps. And in this video, I'm going to truly break down how you can be successful on social media. I'm going to be sharing with you, my trials and errors and what I've learned over the past few years. So I hope that as you learn this information, you can use it and apply it and grow your own personal social media channels. Or if you are a consultant or a marketer, you can use this information to help the clients that you're actually working with. All right. So know that if you're working on your next YouTube video, know that what you need to start with first is going to be your thumbnail and title. And creating thumbnails is very easy. For this, you're going to be using a tool, for example, vidIQ. So know that vidIQ has its own built-in YouTube generator. And vidIQ essentially is a tailor-made tool for growing on YouTube. So vidIQ has their YouTube AI thumbnail generator built in. So if you recorded a video, which we'll get into recording in just a bit, but know that once you have recorded your video and uploaded your video, all you have to do is click on the thumbnail generator and it's going to create a stunning thumbnail. And all you have to do again is describe the image that you want. So you could use a tool like vidIQ. And what I've been really using for the past couple of months, because I've tested out vidIQ for a while, so I learned that AI tool. Then I eventually jumped to ChatGPT. I was using ChatGPT for a while. And right now, I'm kind of using a combination of like ChatGPT or Copilot. And in those two tools, again, you have, again, built-in AI image generators. And all you have to do is go in and type in exactly what you're looking for, generate an image, and then bring that image over into Canva and make it look stunning. And what you will hear on this channel, or if you take my digital marketing course, you'll hear me always recommending the 3 C's. You need to understand the 3 C's, because when you're creating stunning graphics, for example, stunning thumbnails, what you want to do is follow the 3C method or use the 3C formula. So that's going to be color, clarity, and character. So when it comes to color, the AI image generator essentially takes care of most of that. You can generate stunning images using AI. So that takes care of the color because you want your thumbnail to be stunning so that people see. You want to stop people from scrolling. So the first C is color. Next up, you want clarity, which is clear, bold text. People should be easily able to read what your video is about. And generally speaking, you can make this about 5 words, give or take. But keep it simple and keep it clear because clarity is key and clarity is the second C. All right. And the third C is going to be character. So you can add an image of yourself or like an emoji or some other image or avatar that represents you. But know that people connect with people. People connect with characters. And it's always good if you can add an image of yourself to these different thumbnails. But if not, you can add an image via the AI image generator. You can allow that to generate a character. All right. So show a character, show emotions, and that's going to be the third C. So again, understand the 3C method, people, is what I discovered after creating thousands of thumbnails over the past couple of years. So when you apply the 3C method again, it works. I use it, it works, and this is why I'm also recommending it to you. I know that if you need the training information behind all of this. And if you need one-on-one help, I do offer all of this in my digital marketing training program. So go ahead and check out all of the links for that. It's going to be somewhere here on this page. If you want the behind the scenes of how to use Canva for graphic design, how to use CapCut for video, how to truly use these AI tools to help yourself or to help your clients or to help your subscribers, again, go ahead and check out that training information here on this page. So with the 3 C's, again, very simple. You're going to add all of that, whatever you're working on, go ahead and add that into Canva. And I always recommend adding some level of razzle dazzle. So that's like an arrow or a circle. If you have a logo, go ahead and throw that in. And for example, if you take a look at my NarcDojo channel, you'll see where that's pretty much what I've been doing on this channel. And I do it consistently, and you can see that the 3C formula works. So again, people, growing on YouTube is very simple. All you have to do is use a couple of tools, and all you have to do is really follow a system. So once you have your image done, maybe you're using vidIQ, you're using Canva, you're using ChatGPT, whatever those tools are, create your thumbnail. And once you're done with your thumbnail, know that you can get most of your title and description information, and most of this text-based information can be done via AI again. So go ahead and type that into ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot or Google Gemini. Go ahead and type it into the AI tool and ask the tool for help in creating the title, the description, the tags, and so on. Again, pretty simple. Copy that out, go ahead and paste that into YouTube, right? And that, people, takes care of a huge chunk of the work. Now, let's talk about recording the video, right? What tools should you use to record the video? If you are looking for something beginner friendly, y'all, what I always recommend is CapCut. And CapCut is one of those all-in-one type of software where it works on mobile, it works on desktop, again, very flexible. And it is a beginner-friendly video editing tool. And if you're more intermediate or advanced, I'd probably recommend Adobe Premiere. But again, most of the videos here on this channel, I gear it towards a little bit more beginner level people. And that would be CapCut can more than take care of that, right? So you can use the CapCut app on your phone to record. You could record directly from your phone's camera. But that, people, takes care of the bulk of your recording. And from there, all you really have to do is do some edits, small edits in CapCut. And from there, you can upload your video on YouTube. And again, people, when you follow the proper formula, again, stunning thumbnails, good titles, you can get a really good title out of ChatGPT. You don't even have to use your mind. Let's say you don't know how to come up with a good title. Go ahead and ask ChatGPT to come up with some catchy titles for whatever the video is that you just worked on. And again, you can record those videos in CapCut. Get the CapCut app. Go ahead and download that. Again, CapCut has a free version, and they also have a paid version, just like Canva has a free version, and Canva has a paid version, and so on. And people, those are some of the main tools that you're going to be using behind the scenes to truly help you with your social media management. So for the training information, if you want to know how to do all of this information, again, check out the links on this page. Or if you are an entrepreneur, if you're a coach, if you're a business owner, and you need help with your content creation, know that I do offer end-to-end social media management and content production. And all of that information you can find on my website. Go ahead and check that out, or book a free discovery call to see how I may be able to actually help you out. All right, good people. So hopefully you got some useful nuggets in this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave that down below in the comment section. I'll check those out and get back to you ASAP. All right, good people. Chica's the name. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.